What if your bike could look cooler, ride smarter, and feel like a futuristic machine, all without breaking the bank? In today's video, we're diving into 20 of the coolest bicycle gadgets and accessories under $100 on Amazon that can completely transform your ride. From smart safety upgrades to eye-catching tech and ultra-handy gear, these picks are designed to level up every cycling experience. Whether you're commuting or cruising, there's something here you didn't know you needed, so stick around till the end to discover them all. Number 1. Redcomets Bicycle Light. Ever felt that sudden panic riding into darkness, barely visible to cars? That's where this game changer steps in. The Redcomets Bicycle Light blasts out powerful brightness that cuts through night like daylight. It's compact, USB rechargeable, and insanely easy to mount. Suddenly, every ride feels safer, sharper, and way more confident. No more squinting, no more guessing what's ahead, just crystal clear visibility that transforms your nighttime cycling into a smooth, worry-free experience. Number 2. Onforu Portable Bluetooth Speaker for Bike. Long rides can get boring fast when it's just you and the wind. This speaker flips that completely. The Onforu Portable Bluetooth Speaker brings your favorite music right onto your handlebars with loud, clear sound that cuts through road noise. It's waterproof, durable, and built for adventure. Now every ride turns into a vibe. Whether you're cruising city streets or exploring trails, your journey feels alive, energetic, and way more fun. Number 3. Rehook Mini Get Your Chain Back. Nothing kills momentum like a drop chain mid-ride. Greasy hands, frustration, and wasted time. It's the worst. The Rehook Mini fixes that instantly. This clever little tool lets you pop your chain back on in seconds without touching the mess. It's lightweight, pocket-sized, and ridiculously easy to use. Suddenly, breakdowns aren't stressful anymore, they're just quick pit stops, letting you get back to riding without missing a beat. Number 4. Rehook Bike Pump for Cyclists. Flat tires always seem to happen at the worst possible moment. You're stuck, miles from home with no easy fix. The Rehook Bike Pump changes that completely. It's compact but powerful, delivering fast, efficient inflation when you need it most. Easy to carry and quick to use, it turns emergencies into minor delays. Instead of being stranded, you're back on the road in minutes, riding with confidence and zero stress. Number 5. LISEN Bike Phone Holder. Ever tried navigating or checking your phone while riding? Risky, awkward, and honestly dangerous. The LISEN Bike Phone Holder locks your device in place with a super secure grip, even on bumpy roads. It rotates smoothly, giving you the perfect viewing angle for maps or music. Now your phone becomes a seamless part of your ride, safe, accessible, and hands-free, making every trip smarter, smoother, and way more convenient. Number 6. Topcrown Bike Cover. Leaving your bike outside feels like a gamble. Rain, dust, and sun slowly ruin it over time. The Topcrown Bike Cover steps in like armor. It's waterproof, weather-resistant, and built to shield your ride from harsh elements. Lightweight yet durable, it wraps your bike in full protection wherever you park it. Suddenly, your bike stays clean, dry, and ready to go, no matter what the weather throws at it. Number 7. Sportneer Bike Lock. That constant worry about bike theft? It can ruin your peace of mind. The Sportneer Bike Lock shuts that down instantly. Built tough with high-strength materials, it's designed to resist cutting and tampering. Easy to use yet incredibly secure, it gives you the confidence to park anywhere without second-guessing. Now you can step away from your bike knowing it's protected, turning anxiety into total peace of mind. Number 8. GPMTER Bike Handlebar Grips. Long rides can turn painful fast when your hands start aching or slipping. The GPMTER Bike Handlebar Grips fix that instantly. Designed for comfort and control, they provide a soft yet firm grip that reduces fatigue and improves handling. Anti-slip and shock-absorbing, they make every ride feel smoother and more controlled. Suddenly, your bike feels like an extension of you, comfortable, stable, and built for longer, better rides. Number 9. Rehook Ass Savers Regular Rear Mudguard. Getting caught in wet roads means one thing: mud splashed all over your back. Not a great look. The Rehook Ass Savers Rear Mudguard snaps on in seconds and blocks all that mess. Lightweight and minimal, it keeps you clean without adding bulk. It's the kind of simple upgrade that makes a huge difference, letting you ride confidently even when conditions aren't perfect. Number 10. Allen Crossbar for transport on step. Transporting certain bikes can be a nightmare, especially with tricky frame designs. The Allen Crossbar solves that instantly by creating a secure top tube for easy mounting on racks. It's adjustable, sturdy, and incredibly simple to install. Suddenly, moving your bike becomes effortless instead of frustrating. Whether you're heading to a trail or traveling, this gadget makes sure your bike goes wherever you do, smoothly and safely. Number 11. Vibrelli Bike Multi-Tool. Ever had a loose bolt or misaligned brake ruin your ride miles from home? It's frustrating, and without the right tool, you're stuck. The Vibrelli Bike Multi-Tool is your all-in-one fix, packing essential tools into one compact design. From tightening screws to adjusting gears, it handles it all in seconds. Lightweight and easy to carry, it turns unexpected breakdowns into quick fixes. Now you ride with confidence, knowing you've got a solution in your pocket. Number 12. Anoutway Electric Bicycle Pump. Manual pumping can be exhausting, especially when you're already tired from riding. The Anoutway Electric Bicycle Pump changes the game completely. With one button, it inflates your tires fast and accurately without breaking a sweat. It's portable, powerful, and perfect for emergencies or everyday use. No more struggling on the roadside, just quick, effortless inflation that gets you back on track and keeps your ride smooth and stress-free. Number 13. COOSPO Bike Computer GPS Wireless. Ever wonder how far, fast, or efficiently you're really riding? Guessing takes the fun out of progress. The COOSPO Bike Computer GPS Wireless gives you real-time stats with precision tracking. Speed, distance, route, it's all right in front of you. Easy to install and super clear to read, it transforms your rides into data-driven adventures. Now every mile counts, every ride improves, and you stay motivated to push further. Number 14. HTZPLOO Bike Gloves. Sweaty hands and numb fingers can ruin even the best ride. It's uncomfortable and unsafe. The HTZPLOO Bike Gloves step in with breathable fabric and padded comfort that absorbs shock and improves grip. They keep your hands cool, dry, and protected on long rides. Suddenly, control feels effortless and comfort lasts longer. Whether you're cruising or pushing hard, these gloves make every ride feel smoother and way more enjoyable. Number 15. BriskMore Handlebar Bike Mirror. Turning your head to check traffic can be risky and distracting. The BriskMore Handlebar Bike Mirror solves that instantly. With a wide, clear view, it lets you see what's behind you without losing focus ahead. It's adjustable, durable, and stays steady even on rough roads. Now you ride smarter and safer, with full awareness of your surroundings, making every journey more controlled and confident. Number 16. REYUNGGOS Smart Bike Tail Light. Riding at night without proper signaling can feel invisible and dangerous. The REYUNGGOS Smart Bike Tail Light changes that completely. It lights up bright and reacts intelligently to braking and movement, alerting drivers behind you. Easy to install and USB rechargeable, it adds a layer of smart safety to every ride. Now you're not just seen, you're understood, making nighttime cycling safer and far more reassuring. Number 17. Trilancer Bike Rack Straps. Carrying gear on your bike can quickly turn messy and unstable. Things shift, fall, or get in the way. The Trilancer Bike Rack Straps fix that with strong, adjustable hold that keeps everything locked in place. Whether it's bags, boxes, or gear, they secure it tightly without hassle. Suddenly, your bike becomes more versatile and reliable, letting you carry what you need without worrying about balance or safety. Number 18. Redcomets USB Rechargeable Bike Handlebar Extender. Running out of space on your handlebars is a real struggle when you've got lights, phones, and gadgets. The Redcomets USB Rechargeable Bike Handlebar Extender gives you extra room instantly. It's sturdy, easy to mount, and keeps your setup organized. Now you can add more accessories without clutter or compromise. Your cockpit looks cleaner, works better, and feels like a pro-level setup. Number 19. Wsdcam Bike Alarm Wireless. Leaving your bike unattended can feel nerve-wracking, especially in busy areas. The Wsdcam Bike Alarm Wireless brings peace of mind with a loud, motion-sensitive alarm that scares off thieves instantly. It's easy to install and comes with a remote for quick control. Now your bike has its own security system, giving you confidence to park anywhere without constantly worrying about it. Number 20. PidZoom Bike Helmet Mirror for Cycling. Constantly checking behind you can break your focus and slow you down. The PidZoom bike helmet mirror for cycling fixes that with a simple but powerful solution. It attaches to your helmet and gives you a clear rear view with just a glance. Lightweight and adjustable, it keeps your awareness high without distraction. Now you stay focused on the road ahead while still knowing exactly what's happening behind you. Thanks for watching 20 coolest bicycle gadgets and accessories under $100 on Amazon. If you enjoyed these smart upgrades, hit like, subscribe to Bike Beat, and turn on notifications. Don't miss future bike gear reviews. Check the links below and upgrade your ride today.